What's going on, guys? It is your boy Josh Sneaks, and I'm back with another banger video for you guys today. And today I got a special unboxing review, so make sure y'all stay tuned and let's get into it. As you guys saw by the thumbnail, today I will be reviewing an Adidas YEEZY 350 V2. Before we get into the shoe, let's take a quick look at the box. This box is made of natural cardboard with a 350 printed on top and Boost on one of the sides. Your size tag. As you guys can see, the name of the shoe, well, on the tag it says Azrael's. However, this shoe is known as the Carbons. So you guys could tell that they changed the name of the shoe after the manufacturing process. So it was too late for them to switch out all the labels. And this is a size 10, my size. These shoes did release on October 2nd for a retail price of $220. Your boy did manage to scoop a pair on Yeezy Supply. After taxes and shipping, the total price of this shoe was $246. If you plan to get this shoe after release date, which is about now, you're looking about $275 resale in the size 10. And you do also have that classic Adidas YEEZY Boost 350 made by Adidas branding right there. That's pretty much it for the box. Oh, another thing is that my box did come a little damaged. As you guys can see, there is like wrinkles right there, but nothing too major. So with that being said, let's open the box and take a quick look at the shoes. And opening the box, I did take out the shoes, so you guys can't see them just yet. Opening the box, we just have this little pouch, which I will save for later. So you guys make sure to watch the whole video to see what's in this little pouch. And then we also have some cream colored tissue paper. And that's pretty much it for the box. Other than the cream colored paper, that little pouch, and the shoes, there's nothing else in the box. So let's seal this up and get into the shoes. With the box out of the way, let's get into the shoes. And we have the Adidas YEEZY 350 V2 Carbons. These stuff are crazy on camera, bros. Crazy. These shoes are crazy. The majority of this shoe is Primeknit with a mixture of black, steel blue, and gray wrapping around the whole shoe. On the medial side of the shoe, you do have the main accent color, which is the steel blue. On both sides, as you guys could tell. Your shoe does come with this Adidas tag right here, as you guys can see. It reads original YEEZY Boost 300 V2, just your size and a barcode. Nothing too crazy. Moving on to the lateral side of the shoe, you do have a mixture of the black, steel blue, and a grayish green color towards the top. You also, on the center of the lateral side, you do have your black stripe running down, which is pretty nice. Moving up towards the laces of the shoes, you do have thick rope laces with this new lacing system by Yeezy, which is also known as the Infinity Loop lacing. As you guys can see, it has no ends to it, which is good and bad because you could easily slip your foot in and just tighten your shoe like that, or loosen it. Well, you can't really loosen it with this type of lacing system. And personally, I'm not a fan of this loop lacing system. That is why they gave us a set of extra laces in this little pouch. So you do have a set of extra black rope laces with actual ends, so you can loose lace your Yeezys, or you could keep them infinity laced. Personally, I will probably switch out these infinity laces and put in the regular ones. However, the only way to do that is to actually cut the infinity rope lace, which will kind of suck, but it's the only way to do it, so you're gonna have to do it. Take a nice look at the shoe. I was contemplating whether to keep these shoes or resell it because I did not expect to hit on them. So I'm very shocked I actually hit on them, and I got them my size 10. So I came to the final decision that I will be keeping these shoes. They will be the first Yeezy in my collection. So that is pretty cool. And these shoes could be worn every single day as beaters. Well, not beaters, but they can fit in as much fits as they can because black, majority of the shoe is black. Moving on, you do have your black sock liner with Adidas 3 stripes and a reflective material. As you guys can tell, it is on both sides of the shoe, right and left. And you do have a black insole with the Adidas Yeezy branding in purple, as you guys could tell, in purple. Take a look at that fresh boost on the inside. Put the insole in. Moving toward the back of these Yeezy V2 carbons, there is no heel tab, which I'm not too excited or too bummed out about because personally the heel tab does not affect anything about the shoe. It's just the colorway and the price that affects the shoe. Personally, I think I really like how it has a nice contrast with the black steel blue upper, prominent upper, and the semi-translucent cream white midsole. It's not fully white, it's not fully cream, so it's cream and white translucent. Moving to your outsole, you do have a cream colored outsole with your boost right here and here for comfortability, as most Yeezys are. And it's just overall a calm colorway. So let me know in the comments, are you guys thinking of copying a pair? What are your thoughts on the shoes? Do you like them? Do you don't? Do you think they're trash? Do you think they're fire? Just let me know. Take a quick look at the shoes. That's pretty much it for the review, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all smash that like button, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications to get notified every time I upload a banger video. And with that being said, it's been your boy Josh Sneaks. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'm out.
She like wet me like a jet ski, beat her to it.